Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you, class 5? Hope all of you are doing good. Okay, our topic for today is brackets. As we have read it yesterday, I have told you in very detail what are brackets. Now, what they are saying is work with a partner, talk about what you are doing. The factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and 4. I have already told you in class about very detail what is factor and what is the multiple. Now list the factor of these numbers. How are you going to list the factors? I am doing 15. Rest numbers you are going to do by yourself. 1, then 15 itself. After that 3 and 5. Got it? Now the remaining numbers you are going to do by yourself. What they have done in the next one is you can use factors to answer multiplication calculations. For example, they have divided 12 into its factors, which are 2, 2 and 3. Here they are. 2, 2 and 3. How can you calculate it? I am showing you on the book itself. 12, take its LCM. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. Now 3 times 1 is 3. That's it. Got it? Now here are the factors for 12. They have wrote them here. 2, 2 and 3. Look, 2, 2 and 3. If you multiply them, you will get 12. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. That's how they have done it. Now 48 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 48 times 2 is 96. If 1 they have used this one, remaining 2 and 3 will come down as it is. Next 96 multiplied by 2 is 192, remaining 3. Now 192 multiplied by 3. What they have done here is just see. Okay, so now I have told you what they have done here is your answer 192 multiplied by 3 is 576. They have just split these answers into 3 terms. If you want to do this step, do it. Otherwise, you can skip it also. What about next? We have 3 calculations, the same like this. First is 20 multiplied by 16. Split 16 into factors. Write 20 as it is. Now take the LCM of 16. You can use your page from here. 16 divided by 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 1 is 2. Got it? How many 2's you have got? 2 or 4. Wrote them here. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Now continue it. 20 times 2 is 40. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Take it here. First step, now second step. Now 40 times 2 is 80. 80 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 80 times 2 is 160. Now 160 times 2, what is your final answer? 160 times 2 is what? 320. Now if you want to split this answer, what they have done here is, how you will do it? 200 plus 100 plus 20. Okay, now remaining 2 parts you will do by yourself. And yes, never ever forget to write the date and day on the top of your page. That's it for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.